So in the last year, I've spent roughly 9 months living in Vietnam. Now I've really come to love this place, and I wanted my mother and my nephew to come across and visit me here in Hanoi, which they did. We had an amazing time. The weather wasn't always good, but the food was incredible. I managed to take them down to Ninh Binh, see some nature, went down to Da Nang, got to see the beaches. You know, Vietnam has become a very special place to me, and it was just nice to be able to share that with my family, have a holiday together, just enjoy each other's company, and just make memories. So a lot's happened since I last posted a video. My mother and my nephew turned up to Hanoi about maybe 11 days ago, and we were faced with a lot of rain. We had basically 4 days of pretty terrible weather, but we did explore a little bit. We had some fun. I mean, this is their first time to Vietnam, and we definitely had fun at Train Street. And don't know what time the train's coming. That's the most mysterious thing. Online, there's about 40 websites all saying different times, so we'll figure it out. I'm not the biggest fan of super touristy things, but this Train Street is it's definitely worth every second you spend here, if you can find the right spot. Today's very slippery, very muddy. I've almost come over twice. You almost fallen over yet? I just slipped pretty badly. Let me ask that question again. What is your anticipation level?
Well, I'm not quite sure what.
A train.
I know.
It's called Train Street.
Yes, I know.
And we're quite close.
Yes. I'm wondering how close it's going to be.
Well, imagine a train like less than a foot from your face. No, I'm going to be going forward. I'm going to lick the train and give it a little kiss. Thoughts? Was it exciting? It was quick, but was it?
Yeah, it's very close.
Yeah.
Quite a long train.
Yeah.
And everybody here watching it is amazed.
Well, they were cheering.
You're clapping.
Do you like it?
Beautiful.
She's so polite. Excuse me. Number 5. Any thoughts on it? What are your opinions on it?
I've got cucumber, carrot, meat, coriander,
Chicken?
chili sauce,
Is it chicken? Yeah.
Ja, dat moet wel, hè? Ja.
Ete, which I don't know where that is, but
It's in there.
Wat vind jij van het hostel qua
Cheap too.
sociale?
I know.
Ooh, he's here. He's here for 14.
I have to waste my money. Went to the wrong one.
No. Here we go. Brought him to the best pho in Hanoi, I think. This is unbelievable. It's brisket. The amount of meat in that is unbelievable. How's your broth? Especially after a workout, right? Oh yeah. So after 4 days in Hanoi, we went down to Tam Coc, just out of Ninh Binh, and again, the weather was pretty terrible. We had planned on doing some riverboat trips and doing some hikes, but the weather didn't really come to play, so we just ate good food, relaxed, had massages, and I got my nephew on a motorbike for the first time here in Vietnam, and that was all part of the reason he's coming over, to have that adventure. And we had a couple of little road trips, and that was a real good starting point for him, and I think it's going to be even better as we go along. Hello everyone, ciao. Are you noticing just now that they're using their feet, or? Hello. Have you just noticed that?
Yeah. How?
Oh, hello. Xin chào. And it took you a while, but you've realized they use their feet to paddle, because why not, right? Why not? Well, we are in Ninh Binh, or should I say Tam Coc. It's been raining for 3 days, and we've finally come out, and we've got some beautiful sights here. Let me show you. That is not one of the beautiful sights I was talking about, and it's like 20 degrees. That's beautiful.
Correction, 15.
Okay, it's not warm. There was one fun thing that happened here. On the Friday night, we had the night market, which was, I mean, it's not that big, but it's a lot of energy, and the vendors, they will come out and they will literally sort of block the road so you can't get past, menus in hand.
Hello, do you want lobster? You only looking for lobster, only 500. I can free you more prawns, scallop and oyster.
I had some people like grabbing me, trying to pull me in.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Small.
Hello, madam. Yeah, look here, 5 spring roll.
Oh yeah, maybe. Just have a look first. I do like that though.
Yeah.
This is how you make ice cream. It's so good. They're just 30,000. It's all good in good spirits, so, but if you have any sort of social anxiety, you might want to go early. Surprisingly, the food at the market is, I'd say, fractionally more expensive than at the restaurants and in the street, which is a bit weird. But the Dragon Bridge, it's right down there on the river, so the Dragon Bridge, there's a big flames sort of display at 9 p.m. on a Friday and Saturday. A little overrated in my opinion, but I mean, when in Rome, whatever.
So hot.
Nah. That can't be it. Surely that's not it.
Maybe one big explosion. I don't know how we're feeling that.
But of course, we're down here in Da Nang. I'd heard many good things about Da Nang. I've heard equally many bad things about Da Nang. From what I can see so far, it's a little bit like the Gold Coast in Australia. Beachy, lots of high-rise buildings, but it's very chill, very relaxed. Also, the food has been absolutely out of this world. So much cheaper. From what I've seen, the further south you go in Vietnam, the food gets more diverse and everything gets a bit cheaper, like noticeably. But yeah, we've eaten a lot of good food, we've had a great time. Today is Sunday morning. It's currently 7 a.m. and there's a lot of people up, it's warm. And today we're going to do a road trip to Hoi An. So we're going to put my mum on the back of the bike. It's an hour down the road. I'll spend the day and see what Hoi An has to offer. Unfortunately, they have had rain and cold for the first sort of 10 days of the trip. But today, it's a special one. It's 27 degrees, blue skies, beautiful beaches. I think I really like this place. I've not even seen Hoi An yet, but I know that if this beach exists, I think I want to live beside it. Beach is fine?
It's really beautiful.
Oh, you lost your hat. Oh, she's broken a knee. Oh, the chaos ensues.
The third repair.
Oh God, that'll be a good thumbnail though. Disaster in Vietnam.
90-year-old woman chases hat.
I beg your pardon.
I'm only 7.
Minus 18.
2.
Minus 18.
Numbers are not your strong suit. It's okay.
Excuse you?
I think I'll go spend the last full day with my mum before she heads back to the UK. I will endeavour to get back on track with some consistent content. See ya.